in the past, we've thought, oh, when I get to a certain age, I'm going to have it all figured out. And what I have found, I thought that too, when I hit 30, I'm going to have it all figured out. And then, oops, no, 40, oh, God, I don't have it figured out, 50. So we never stop needing mentors, and our life changes. So what you need at one point in your life is different than what you need in this part of your life. So Elliot has been a wonderful mentor for me as an example. So when I left after 2 years of being Barack Obama's COO, I decided to step back in the leadership field. And this was new for me. So I needed someone who, Elliot, who's been in this field, and he's been an incredible mentor for me and given me different perspectives and kind of things to avoid and things to look for and places to be and people that it would be interesting to talk to. So that's why we never outgrow our mentors. And I love this whole concept of reverse mentoring because I first got it when I went to when I was COO of the Obama campaign. The average age of campaign workers is 25. And I was in my late 40s, and I was surrounded for 2 years with 25-year-olds who knew so much about technology and so many things about their generation that I didn't. And so that was where I started to have young people that were very influential to me and taught me a lot. Because we have this idea that, mentors are all older than us. And so when we get older, we're like, wait, and now we're seeing this movement where, God, we learn a lot from people who are young. And I learn a lot from my daughter, who's just 9 years old. She teaches me every day. She helps me see the world in a different way and it gives me a different perspective than I would have had if she wasn't in my life.